Hello, it's time for another outdoor kitchen tournament battle. Competition between all these different outdoor kitchens I designed over the years. Time for you to vote on which one is your favorite. And as always, we're matching up two similar outdoor kitchens. Here we go with match number 2. Outdoor Kitchen A. And these two kitchens are nice, small, compact, affordable ones. This is a 6-footer with a concrete countertop and a stucco finish. Nice for small little backyard areas. We built this one right off the edge of this new patio. Perfect for small barbecuing for a young family. B is similar. It's an 8-footer with also a concrete countertop, and there's a construction photo. You can see how it's done with the block. This one has a stone facade, so it's a little bit bigger, but keep in mind that facade's going to make it a little more expensive, but still a different look. So cast your vote in the comment section, A or B. So cast your vote, and the winner will advance to battle some of the other winners in our competition. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for voting. Make sure you cast your vote in the comment section, A or B, and stay tuned for more outdoor kitchen battles.